Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upload a video to Google Drive and share the link. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to open your Google Drive application. Once you have opened your Google Drive, you can go to the Files menu. Okay, and here you can choose either you want to upload your video inside the folder or outside the folder. If you want to upload it inside the folder, you can create new folder or you can upload it to your existing folder. And I'm going to upload my video outside the folder, so I'm just going to click on this plus button and select upload. Okay, then we can choose a video that we want to upload to the Google Drive. I'm just going to open my gallery and I'm going to upload a video from this InShot folder or InShot album. I'm just going to upload this video. Okay, then we can click on done and just wait until the uploading process completed. And after the video has been uploaded, you will be able to share the link. Okay, and now the video has been uploaded guys, and I'm going to check it. Wait, I'm going to refresh it first. Usually we need to refresh to get the video. Okay, and this is the video I have just uploaded, and if you want to share the link, click on the three dots on the video and you can click on copy link. Okay, and you will be able to share this link to your friends. Alright guys, and that's all the way to upload a video to Google Drive and share the link. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.